Welcome. If you're tired of getting social email notifications from Discord cluttering your inbox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to disable social emails on the Discord app for PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. You can find it in your Start menu, on your desktop, or wherever you usually launch your apps. Once Discord is open and you're logged in, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your settings menu. Now that you're in user settings, take a look at the menu on the left side of the window. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to access all your notification preferences. Inside the Notifications tab, scroll down until you see the section called Email Notifications. This is where Discord lets you control which types of emails you receive. Under Email Notifications, you'll see a list of different categories, including social emails. Social emails cover things like friend requests, server event invites, and suggestions from Discord. To stop receiving these social emails, simply find the toggle switch next to social emails and click it to turn it off. Once you've toggled it off, Discord will stop sending you emails related to social activity, helping keep your inbox clean and focused on what matters to you. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully disabled social email notifications on Discord for PC. If you ever want to re-enable them, just follow these same steps and switch the toggle back on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more streamlined Discord experience.